Kani gade ka Pati CCTV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni.
Ka East Khasi Hills District, kala long kala do na Barok Khatwitli District kiblai Shimenta, ha ka Lumpung Ilekai belatep ng Chief Minister State Level Inter-School Athletic Meet at Hajar Khatpra, kabala long laisngi kinti ha Jawaharlal Nehru Complex Polo Shillong. Ha kini ka Lumpung Ilekai kabala pensedang ha ka Laipo Terik Ujemang. Bat kabala penkut no ha ka singi thok diang Shiterik Ujeliu ka East Khasi Hills District. Kala yo ra ya kana amla do ha kaliang kikentai. Kat bakari Boy District kalawan baar. Haba pai pat sekaliang shinrang ya ka nam la du la yo ra hi daga East Khasi Hills kat baka West Gentle Hills kala yo ra ya ka kerdan ka ba ka East Khasi Hills District kala Pauru kum kaweni ki district ka bala yo korbon ya ki takma na baro ki jing kon ha kani ka Lumpung Ilekai la penha perda ya kani ka Lumpung Ilekai do Deputy Director Katnat Sports and Youth Affairs JR Mara ubala long kongsan ha kani ka sngi bat ubala samru ikhusnam shekinong job ha ki jing Ilekai ba per
The silver medal goes to Level 2, Margaret Mountain of East Pacific again, with a timing of 30 points to the victor's stand. And Nelson Michael Level of East Pacific. Timing of Frankie Bomb was 11.22 seconds, and Nelson Michael Level with 10.99 seconds. 86 seconds. And also, Gabriela de Caravan of East Hampshire bags the gold medal in this event with a timing of 13.49 seconds. District bags the gold medal. The timing of Sam Lamington was 11.67 seconds. The one-gram pasta the silver medalist of West Georgia 11.49 seconds. And Phil Rongham will come to the victor's stand. And Phil Rongham of Ribhai District bags the gold medal with a timing of 11.13 seconds. The medal discount in the front. And Durga Nakyam of West Georgia Hills back Rutalindo, please come forward to the victor's stand. IP Rutalindo, East Cassie Hills, Evangeline Marvin, West Cassie Hills, Nirmala Singh, come forward.
So, victory for the